We welcome you all back to the next Japanese script session, which today we'll be learning Katakana. That's a Japanese script. We have already learned hiragana, kanji, and now today we'll be learning Katakana. Alright. Alright. So we know when to use the Katakana. So Katakana. I mean, before we move, these are 46 Katakana basic characters with this order we'll be learning today. And this katakana is fundamentally the same as hiragana. It's used for words borrowed from the foreign languages. Katakana is a phonetic alphabetic covering syllables and consists of 46 different characters. It is mainly used for foreign loan words and sometimes to replace kanji or hiragana for emphasis. Katakana were developed in the 9th century and are also derived from more complex kanji. The rules in katakana that we'll be learning at the end of the video, not today, at the end of fourth video of katakana. So long vowels are represented by a dash and double constants k, k, p, p, s, s, t, t, etc. are represented by small su. So these are the table of katakana letters. You can say gojuon, yuon, right? So we'll be learning in next 4 days. So today our target is to learn a group and ka group. Alright, a column and o column too. Alright, so all this thing remaining we'll be learning in upcoming videos. So you can see here, while when you write by pen it looks something like this, and while printing it looks like this. Don't get confused. Alright, so there can be two variants. We start with a. Alright, so this is how it looks a, and yeah, I in ice cream. You can remember this, I in ice cream. Here you in ice cream, and you can remember looking at the picture. I see the letter A, right? So here this it looks like there's some letter A, or there's a letter A over here. So you can remember that. Okay? If you take a little bit, it becomes A. This is how we write A, one stroke order, and this is the second stroke order. We go for next. That's E. E as an earring. This lady is wearing earring. Right here you can see earring. Right? These are the earrings. So E as an earring. And this is stroke order. How you write? One stroke order and two stroke order. Eat with chopsticks. You can just remember with these chopsticks how it looks like. This oo as an uina, alright, and then this is how we write first, second, and then this is three stroke order, 1, 2, and 3 stroke order. Like you have to practice by hand nasan just to remember for long duration. And yeah, you can remember relating this picture, a ball hitting the player. This is a ball and hitting with the baseball player. Ooh, the sound is coming ooh. And you can also remember this, like we had in hiragana we write ooh like this, right? Something like that. If you know hiragana, probably you can remember this. Right? So this is something like hiragana ooh. Alright, we go to a sound. A as an apron. We can remember this apron we wear while working in the kitchen. And these are how stroke order will be there. Again stroke order and then third stroke order and then third stroke order. 1, 2, and 3. Three stroke order is there. And you can remember with the elevator doors, opening doors, this elevator door, right? So going up and down, this elevator doors. Next letter is O, the fifth letter. Fifth letter is O. O as autobike. Alright, so this is stroke order 1, 2, and then 3. 3 stroke order is there 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so 3 stroke order is there. So you have to remember with this stroke order, and this is very important while you write. O as in on and off. Alright, so on and off switch. You can remember this is the 1, and this is 2, and this is the this on and off switch. Okay, let's have a small quiz on this. This is alright. This is a. This is U. A. O. U. A. O. A. O. E. A. U. A. O. A. U. O. A. U. O. Okay, now let's have in reverse order quiz. I'll show you some English alphabets and then you have to recognize the katakana. Let's go. Which character is this? This is A. E. A. E. O. A. A. O. U. E. A. A. U. A. A. U. E. A. U. O. Alright, so what we learned, 5 characters was A, alright, E, U, A, and O. Alright, so we have completed this 5 characters. We will move to next, and next will be Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Here we go. This is Ka. Ka is in Kare. It's a 6th character. Ka. Alright, that's Kareras. This is stroke order, 1 is stroke order, 2 is stroke order. So now you can remember with this. We in hiragana we write ka something like this, right? This is a ka. So this particular portion is not there in katakana, right? In katakana this portion will be not there. Alright, so you can remember this hiragana is very smooth, in fact. Right, so here this is ka. So in hiragana this is ka. Alright, right? If this particular tenten is not there, or this portion point is not there, then it becomes katakana ka. Simple. Alright. So ka, cut the sausage, you can remember. You can also remember this hiragana ka. Ki. Alright, so this is how the key looks like, and key it has got 3 stroke order itself. So you can also remember with this hiragana key, where we used to have something like this: 1, 2, and 3 used to have, right? So if this particular portion you delete, right? This portion if you delete, this it becomes katakana key. Okay. Yeah, key as in key, you can remember this. Key. Ku is Christmas. Alright, is a one stroke or two stroke? Only two stroke it has. Ku as cuckoo. Next is K, K as in cake, cakey. One stroke or two stroke and then third stroke. So K, a tilted letter K, you can see here. If you write J, K and L, if you tilt this K letter like this, it becomes K. This is a Japanese katakana K. Right? Alright. And last is Ko, Ko as Koara. Right, here this is the contour. You can also remember with the hiragana Ko, where we used to have something like this Ko, like this, right? Ko. So you can remember with this Ko. And with this straight corner Ko. So that's what we learned. Ka, Ki, Ku, K and Ko. This is a printing style, how you find it in books, and this is how we write by pen. Alright. Speech time now, stage 1. Let's go. Which character is this? Ku, K, Ko, Ka, Ko, Ka, Ki, K, Ko, Ku, Ka, Ko, K, Ko, Ko, Ki, Ku, K, Ku, Ka, Ko. Right. So the reverse one. Stage 2. We go to. Okay, let's go. Which character is this? Keys. Where's the key? All right. This one. No. This one. No. I think this one. Okay. Keys are right. The second one is the right answer. Ko. Ki. K. Ko. K. Ko. Ku. Ki. Ka. Ku. Ko. Ki. K. Ki. K. Ka. Ku. See a Ku again. Earlier was a Ku was the right answer, so we have to put Ku here. This is Ka, right? Okay, let's go which character this. This is Ka, Ki, Ku, Ku. This is O. This is okay. This is the right answer was O. This is A. Alright, Nasan, thank you so much for watching this video. We will come again with next video next week. Alright, with the Katakana video number 2. Thank you. Keep smiling. and be safe.